it's Lizzie from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you for joining me again today. Today I have a Top Tip Tuesday tip because it's Tuesday, and I'm using the wonderful Romance Cling stamp set, which is in the Spring Summer catalogue, and I've also got the matching dies, which are the wonderful floral framelets. And my top tip for today is using the Stamparatus and your stamps and dies. Because, is it just me? I have stamped, obviously, all over here. I'm doing a project on this suite at the moment. And, you know, you stamp, you colour in, you then try and match up your die. And it's quite difficult to do that and get it actually looking right. But here's the thing, I have just done all of these. In fact, I've done more than just these. They're all stamped. Okay, I haven't coloured them because for this particular project I don't want them coloured. But they're all beautifully stamped and beautifully lined up. And this is my top tip. Get yourself a piece of scrap cardstock. This is one of the retired colours from last year. Let me grab my magnet from underneath my Stamparatus just to hold everything in place. So this was just a piece of, I want to say Tangerine Tango, and I've just punched, well, die cut the shape from the middle of this piece of cardstock. Then take your stamp and, having stuck your die cut piece to your Stamparatus base, and obviously because this is a red rubber, I just need the base, not the foam mat, which you would use if you're using photopolymer. You can then feel when that stamp is in the slot. Close your lid, pick it up, and then, preferably without bits of rubbish on your stamp, you can get your die cut piece, your blank unstamped die cut piece. Now I have put a piece of washi tape here just to stop it slipping in completely because I found it was a bit difficult to get out otherwise. I've got a Pear Pizzazz ink pad. It's just one of the little blank uncoloured spots, and I've coloured it with Pear Pizzazz, but you can use a full-size full-size ink pad if you want. I've inked that up, I close the lid, I stamp as usual, I open the lid, and there is my beautifully stamped leaf. And I can keep going and keep going. And when I'm die cutting my leaves, it doesn't matter, I don't have to line up. So it's really quick, and I can fit them in round little corners and stuff. So that is my top tip for today. Come back later on today and you will see the project that I have made using these, which I am doing for a blog hop. So come back later on today and you will see that. Do please remember, if you want to do that, always a good idea to subscribe to my channel, which is in the bottom right hand corner. And having subscribed, if you want to be notified of the next video, go over to my channel, and next to the subscribe button you'll find a little bell. Push that little bell and you will then get an email notification into your inbox to let you know that I've posted a new video. You can also subscribe to my website. If you pop over to my website, you'll find a link in the description bar below to the associated post for this top tip, and if you click on that you will also find that you can subscribe to both my newsletter and my website. So again, you'll get a newsletter every time I send one out, and you will also get a notification when I've posted on my website. Obviously, if there is anything you would like to buy, I would be thrilled if you chose me as your demonstrator. I run a host code reward program as well as a purchase program, excuse me. So if your order is £20 to under £150, if you use the host code, you get to share in the rewards for that month. You also, if you use the host code, get, for every £30 you spend in any one order or multiple thereof, you get a sunflower reward, and when you've got 10 of those you can send them back to me and exchange them for £30 worth of catalogue product. So, thank you very much indeed for watching me today. I hope you found this top tip helpful, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.